everyone, and welcome back to In the Know. We trust everyone had a wonderful holiday break over Christmas and New Year's. We did, and we are so excited to have an amazing year and continue transforming the way you manage your data in 2021. Our in-office renovations were completed once we came back from the holiday break. We have expanded our office space to accommodate our growing team, with 4 new team members and 2 new interns joining just in the last year. And we plan to keep growing our amazing team in 2021. Exciting times ahead. We started the year with the go-ahead to roll out solutions for delay accounting and quality management with a productive partner. Our POLR Resource Events application is an important component of this rollout, and if you would like to know more about the product, we have just completed our latest Resource Events data sheet. We will be sending a copy out with our January newsletter, so if you haven't signed up, head to our website now to join the mailing list, or download a copy from our website. We also celebrated both our amazing General Manager Jaiden's birthday, as well as the lovely Charli's birthday. We hope each of you had an awesome birthday, ladies. That's all for this month. Tune in next month to see what we've been up to in February. Make sure to visit polar.com.au to find out more about the new POLR suite. See you next time.